Here at Horizon, we do everything we can to reduce energy use in our facilities while ensuring patient and staff comfort, as well as prioritizing clinical efficiencies. Our award-winning energy management system relies on our people to take initiative with energy-saving practices. Everyone from nurses, physicians, administrative staff, and even patients can play a role in reducing energy waste and doing your part to be good environmental stewards. Our facilities and engineering team and building operators work diligently to provide heating and cooling when required and schedule systems properly to meet patient and staff needs. We rely on energy-efficient lighting inside and outside our facilities, such as LED, and technology such as occupancy sensors to turn lights on and off in washrooms and patient rooms.
Sometimes with technology, we do find we have to go back and do a little tweaking. So if you find in your area your occupancy sensors are a little bit off, maybe they're coming on too soon, maybe they're staying on a little bit too long, give us a call and we'll be happy to come back and check it for you. We do want to make sure that we get the biggest impact of energy savings from the installations that we put in, and it's our commitment to you and to the environment.
Here on this unit, at the end of the day, when the patients are asleep and the visitors are gone, we turn off all the lights.
The last thing I do at the end of the day, turn my computer off. The reason we do this is to save energy. If everybody does it, it all adds up.
At the St. John Regional Hospital, we use solar panels to generate electricity.
4 times a year, we have to adjust the solar panels to maximize the capacity of the sun. And it's done very easily by adjusting about a dozen couplings, and it's motorized, and it only takes a few minutes to get the plumb bob in the right position for that season.
We use biomass boilers at Miramichi Regional Hospital, Hotel Dieu of St. Joseph's in Perth Andover, and at the Upper River Valley Hospital.
As Chief Engineer, I monitor boiler operations to ensure we get the maximum steam production from our more sustainable, carbon-neutral biomass boiler, rather than rely on our more environmentally taxing oil boilers.
We also reuse waste heat to preheat cold water, meaning our heating systems do not have to work as hard to heat the water.
As an industrial mechanic, we perform the predictive, preventive, and corrective maintenance on the equipment, improves the efficiency, makes the equipment last a long time.
In addition to the benefits of being more environmentally friendly, such as reduced emissions and better indoor air quality, our patients directly benefit with more comfortable and consistent temperatures and better lighting, which includes task lighting and dimming capabilities.
I monitor occupancy and schedules throughout the units in the hospital. It is important that our building management system schedules heating and cooling as needed, so we don't heat or cool areas that are closed overnight, such as day clinics and offices.
Since 2013, Horizon energy efficiency and conservation measures equate to an energy reduction of 165 million kilowatt hours. That's energy for 5,300 New Brunswick homes. And we've avoided emissions of 38,310 e-tons of carbon dioxide, the equivalent of 11,000 cars off the road, and 52,200 trees planted. Horizon's energy management guidelines will continue to lead our organization in multiple ways. We took what Horizon was already implementing in their day-to-day operations and made it a policy. Horizon Health Network could not do this without the support of their collaborative partners, especially Service New Brunswick's Health Services Energy Management Team.
Service New Brunswick supports Horizon's energy management system. We provide data collection analysis services, create capacity building and training opportunities, assist in identifying and implementing energy reduction measures, and communicate energy information and successes. Together, we are continually making a difference.
People making energy visible. This is truly a story of environmental stewards through collaboration and celebration of a sustainable energy management culture with one team, one Horizon, and one GNB.
When it comes to energy savings, my job is fairly easy. I just have to support the team by giving them the education, the support, and the tools they need to make energy savings part of their day.
By empowering our staff to take our energy saving initiatives directly into our facilities, Horizon is leading New Brunswick's government organizations. In 2020, we won the NB Power Efficiency Excellence Legacy Award. And in 2016 and 2017, we won national awards for environmental stewardship. We are just getting started. We ask all Horizon staff, visitors, and patients to keep the environment in mind when visiting our facilities. Together, we can make a greater future for healthcare and New Brunswick. If you have ideas, we'd love to hear them from you. Email the Energy Network at energy@horizonnb.ca, and please share this video with your friends and colleagues.